What's up YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to do a video on shipping. So we're going to start with the essentials and then we're going to show you some bonuses. Ooh. Alright, so now that you've seen our essentials and our bonuses, we're going to go over a few of those with y'all. In the video, we mentioned our tape, our scissors, measuring tape, and a scale, and obviously you need boxes and envelopes if you're going to ship. So let's go over a few of those.
So I guess we can start with the scale. Our scale is a Fusion 360 pound scale. You can use it, it's a mobile scale, so you can use it wherever you go, or you can plug it into the wall. We got ours off Amazon for about $45. We've had it for about 6 months roughly. So no problems out of it. It works great. It can run off of the batteries like I said, and we have not even had to replace the batteries. So I would say it's a good scale.
Yes, it's a great scale. After all the pallets that we've bought, we have not had to buy a bigger scale. So
yes.
It's been great.
So far so good. And then we use the Scotch heavy duty tape. We order that off of Amazon as well. You get a 6-pack for about $13 roughly, and they arrive in about a day. We have not been shipping the amount that we have started shipping in the past week and a half. So we actually are gonna purchase one of those tape guns.
Yeah.
And the refills, it seems like it'll be a little bit cheaper for us that way.
Yeah, so when we were in Walmart the other day, we noticed that buying a tape gun and just replacing that tape and obviously holding on to the tape gun would be a lot cheaper if you're shipping a lot. But if you're just getting started and you just want to buy some of these, you can get them out in a 6-pack off Amazon.
Awesome to keep around the house anyways. Something else we use a lot of, it seems like here lately, are these fragile stickers. We got 500 of these for $6 off of Amazon again. You never know when you're gonna get something glass or liquids.
And it's good to stamp that on your boxes. It's better to be safe than sorry.
Absolutely. So along with the fragile, Brandon can show you his favorite thing.
Oh yeah.
To annoy me with.
Bubble wrap. So this is a big old thing of bubble wrap.
Yeah.
Fun stuff.
300 yards. I think we spent about $15. We had to do an emergency run for this last night. We got it from Walmart. We also use the pillows, the air pocket pillows for shipping. We've ordered 340 of those, I think, for about $12 as well. Just waiting for those to come in.
Yes. And then of course you should have some freaking scissors laying around your house. And if you don't, you can buy those.
Pink scissors.
I think she said $1 at the dollar store.
Yes.
You can get some scissors.
You sure can. We also, y'all know that we are huge on our reviews, so we send a thank you card with everything we do. If it's $1, if it's $100, whatever it is, thank you card. And in those thank you cards, we like to put cute little stickers.
Yeah, it's fun to match the stickers with what you think someone's personality might be like too.
Yeah, sometimes like somebody purchased a coffee maker one time, I got to put coffee. Somebody purchased a baby thing, so on and so forth. But these are pretty cool as well. You get them off of Amazon once again. I think they're like $6.99. You get 200 of them, so it's a nice little gift.
Yeah.
Personal touch. The reviews have really started to show up and be thanked for the thank you card and the kindness.
Yeah, and it's fun to go through them too once you get them in the mail.
Yeah, it definitely
keep it whole
is.
for yourself.
So I guess let's go over the polymailers and stuff that
Okay.
we use. Show them
And
a
some
little bit
boxes.
about that. Yeah. So, ooh, we have 3 sizes of polymailers. We have another size coming in between our medium and our small. But this is our small. Great for like shirts, anything small. Our medium one. And then this is our large one.
Yes. This one has came in handy a few times.
Yes. Pillows.
It's big.
Yeah, it's actually really big.
It's pretty big.
So we like it. And something I have noticed on some of these that are really cool, we haven't had any returns yet, so we are very thankful for that. But they have 2 strips right here. This one you use, and if they're going to return it to you, they'll use that one. I don't recommend it or not recommend it, but
The biggest reason why we use these is because it's cheaper to ship.
just sold something on eBay.
Yeah, so if you're shipping something, you can put it in here and it'll get there safely. It's going to be cheaper to put it in a bag.
Yeah. So we choose USPS to ship with for a couple reasons. We live about 5 minutes away from one, so it's easy for us. And then Brandon gets to order, does the ordering of the boxes online, and they're all free
Yeah,
if
they're
you
free.
go through
They're
Priority.
completely free.
So 100% free.
So this is an example of a flat rate bag that we use. If you were going to ship something in this that was somewhat heavy, you could just use flat rate. It's also already wrapped in bubble wrap, so that's nice.
No. We don't use these too often.
No, but it's good to have. It's free.
Right.
Right.
Yeah, it is free. You never know. We use this size.
This one's
box.
not a flat rate, right?
No, so from what I've understood, and we're learning too. So if you have any tips, tricks for us, please let us know. But you can use a flat rate label on a Priority box as long as it's in the dimensions that are online, in which this one is. If you see behind me, we have all these about to go out, and we have about 10 more to pack up.
Yeah.
And counting.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So, this box comes in handy. Brandon, the weight,
Yeah.
the,
So I mean,
if it's something heavy.
so flat rate, just to be clear, flat rate is you pay one flat rate fee or cost to ship that item, as opposed to weighing your box and measuring it to figure out how much it's going to cost to ship. So if you were going to sell something really heavy, like let's say tools, let's say bolts and screws or something like that, that's metal, you'd want to put it in a smaller box like that. Well, not like that, a smaller box,
Maybe like this
maybe
size,
like this. That's a flat rate, because it might cost more to ship it in that than in a flat rate box like this.
So, we like our flat rates. We always check out our pricing, that's for sure, to see how we can get it the cheapest.
So that one was a medium.
Yes.
This is a large.
The large is pretty big.
And you can find these flat rate costs on USPS's website. And you can order your boxes on USPS's website and the postal store. Very
Yes.
simple.
So we actually ran into an issue the other day. So you can actually see the sizes together. But we ran into an issue and ran out of boxes. Brandon had them ordered, and we haven't received them yet, which it's only been 3 days, but we ran out of boxes. So we ran up to the USPS store, and they had some in stock. So we were able to...
We got their last ones, and we
Yeah.
have just now actually ran out again.
Yes.
So we're going to have to go hunt some more down. That's the thing. So when you order these online, just try to be at least a week ahead, because the postal lady that delivers your mail just drops them off at your door.
Yeah, so we're learning on that too, but we thought we had ordered them quick enough, but we didn't know that we would be shipping
Right.
like we are, which we're really thankful for that.
So yeah, so those are the boxes that you need, and we told you where you can get them for free. All right, it's very simple to do that. Just go to USPS's website. So when we ship our labels, we use pirate shipping. I stumbled across this on YouTube. I would look up pirate shipping. There was a really detailed video on it, and it was a very informative video, and I learned a couple things from that. Essentially, what we've noticed is it's cheaper. We think what they're doing is giving you a commercial price. Montana found this out. They're giving you the commercial price to ship something, as opposed
That's what
to,
I think it is. Not 100%.
we're not 100%
but-
sure, but either way, it's cheaper than if you just shipped it another way on USPS or what have you.
Yeah,
and
so
printed your label off eBay
do you
or
think
whatever.
this will show up on there? I've got,
No, I don't think so.
maybe not. No. Maybe Brandon can show you a cool little screenshot of it, but that's their logo. So,
Just go to pirateshop.com
Yeah.
and check it out. It's very simple, and you
Very
can actually
simple.
export your eBay sales into Pirate Ship, and it will automatically put in your tracking number and the address it's shipping to. So it makes it very simple. Although it is simple either way. Even if you do your labels manually, it's still really easy to use, and you can just
Yeah.
buy it right there, and then it will download it, and then just save it to your desktop. And you don't have to rename it either. It'll have the customer's first and
Yes.
last name.
It
So
does
it's very
have it
nice.
already renamed.
And then I always save them into a folder. Montana does the same thing. We just have a shipping folder on our desktops, and we put everything in there.
which that comes in handy when you have a package that you shipped out maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago and it never made it there. And you get a message from the buyer, and the only way to really look back, you can look back on eBay, but it's also a good thing, a good second backup to go into your computer and look at that tracking number and see what happened to the package. So that's
Yes.
super nice as well. So
And the other thing we wanted to say was we didn't talk about our printer, but you will have to purchase a printer. We didn't want to drag hours out here. But it can be fairly inexpensive. The one we have, you can actually use Bluetooth. So if you don't have a computer, you can still print your labels from your cell phone.
yeah.
You just use Bluetooth. You download, if like for hours, it would be the HP Smart app, and then we can just print them just like that.
Yeah, and we love it. We purchase our paper off Amazon as well. We're Amazon buyers, obviously,
Yes.
for about $5 for a whole ream of paper, and then our ink. We've only had to purchase ink once.
We're getting ready to have to buy some more.
I think we have
Definitely.
1 pack left, but for a 2-pack of black ink, it is about $45. So I would expect to spend that maybe every 2 months, unless you're just shipping.
Depends
like
on how much you're
crazy.
shipping.
Yeah.
Really. But it's just black. A label's just black and white, so you don't need color. It's not a necessity.
No.
I think that pretty much covers it, Montana.
I think it does too. I know that y'all see all the soap behind us, so if you are wanting to purchase, 2 of them are antibacterial. They're just $1 a piece. Visit our Facebook.
Yeah, it's just search Titan Marketplace on our Facebook. We'll pop right up. You'll see our logo, and you can message us about anything at all. And
Yes.
we'll get back to you.
Any comments, questions, criticism?
Yeah,
like Brandon
feel
says.
free to leave us comments on our YouTube constructive criticism.
Yes.
On our YouTube channel, constructive criticism is welcomed. Always be nice, obviously. And yeah, I think that pretty much sums it up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video, and we are going to do an unboxing next.
Thank you.
Bye.
That's perfect. You can't see how that rolls.
I'm gonna leave this at the end for bloopers.
Oh, I'm on.
Bloopers! Stop, y'all. You're gonna get put up. What's up, YouTube? Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna do a video on shipping. We're gonna start with the essentials, and then we're gonna show you the bonuses. What do you think?
I like it, but you can hear their feet all in that.
Well, we have dogs. Sure, man. All right.
Okay.
Ready? Now that you've seen, I'll just say now that you've seen what you need to ship, we're gonna go through them all. We're gonna get you some prizes and talk about it.
The camera's on.
Oh my God, Jesus Christ!
Well, we can try to
This is
record
why
it.
we need another battery.
Well, we can try to record right now. It might not die yet.
What does it cost to purchase all those essentials, roughly?
For starting out, probably including your scale and
Well, you get your boxes are free. Your scale. How much does your tape cost?
The tape is probably about $12.
$12.
Oh my God, can we start over? I don't have it
happened to
together. I don't know. I didn't know you were gonna ask me that. The scale and the scale and printer.
All right, so now that you've seen our essentials and our bonuses, we're gonna group.
We're gonna, yes. Being as much as you can see back here, I don't know how not to say
Just pause and try to pause instead.
Because when I was on my mind with scale and you went to tape and I'm like,
Okay. Okay. All right, so now that you've seen, we're struggling today.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. All right, so now that you've seen our essentials and our bonuses, we're gonna go over those with you. Obviously, you don't have to have the bonuses. We are just going to me. All right, here we go. I would suck on live TV.
Is it better to have them out? No.
Didn't they just
She's looking at us.
Whatever.
Oh, we were on video.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Ready?
Mhm.
Don't forget to look at this.
Yes. All right. Okay. Gotcha. Was the printer. You are going to need a printer to print your shipping labels off. We do not use a label maker right now. We are looking into getting one, but we have an HP Smart Printer that you can use an app or you can use your computer to print.
Stop.
The dogs are getting in trouble.
Come on.
Okay. Peace out.